Hi folks, welcome back to the AnKorage, and this is DISQuest. Pardon the delay, I have to fix my screen door. Alright, well, that got taken care of. The stupid landscapers were, they just blow all the mulch that they've cut and stuff like that. When they're doing lawn and stuff like that, they just blow the stuff around. And the track for the screen door got clogged up with junk, so I had to use this to kind of clear it out a little bit and get the screen door back on the track and flowing properly. So, that only took a couple minutes, but whatever. So, I'm going to put this away. I'll be right back. Okay, sorry. Sorry for the delay on starting, but things happened and I have to stop what I'm doing that moment to take care of them. Very often, I think you can relate. So, anyways, we are back with this latest edition of DISQuest, and we are going to be looking at bin. So, why don't we shoot over and get into that? So let's just move right on in. And there we go. And before we get started, I would just like to ask that you comment, like, and subscribe. And that will certainly greatly help me out in the long run. And it'll also help you out, because when you click that notification bell, you will get notified on when there's new videos. And there we go. Let's move on. Okay, so we are over here in Linux Mint. And you can do this on Windows and you can do this on Mac, whatever. We're just going to look at the website real quick. And so we just pull that up, and here it is. This is me using Firefox, and I'm just going to maximize it, or I'm going to full screen it just to make it a little easier to see. And so here we have Disroot, and we are going to go to the Services tab, and we're going to come down to Bin. And there we are. So here we have the guy that kind of looks like he's from Spin Doctors, stuff like that. And what's he doing? He's in a trash bin, and he's doing what we call dumpster diving, and that's because there is a whole lot of good product that is still good, still fresh, stuff like that, that stores will go ahead and throw out. If you're savvy, you go dumpster diving and you can get free stuff. This guy happened to get a pepper, that's either cucumber or zucchini, and I think that might be an apple. So, and we got all kinds of other stuff here. We see like 99 something. I think this is overseas because I don't recognize this word here. So there we go. Anyways, scrolling down, we are going to be looking at Bin, which is private bin. And now what is it? It's a minimalist open source online PasteBin and discussion board. The data of every PasteBin is end-to-end encrypted and decrypted in the browser so that the server has zero knowledge of the hosted data. You do not need an account on Disroot to use this service, so that is a bonus. And like I was doing before, or mentioning before, I'm going to be doing videos on services that don't require a Disroot account first, and then move into the ones where you do need a Disroot account. So the Disroot PasteBin is here at this link, which is bin.disroot.org. Project homepage is here, and the source code is here. Now, feature highlights. It's very easy to use, and I agree. You paste your text, you click send, and share the URL. There you go. you can set an expiration limit, so you could be like, hey, this paste is only good for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, so on and so forth. You can burn it. In other words, the paste is destroyed when it's read. There's a unique deletion URL generated for each paste, should you wish to use that. Syntax coloring for 54 languages. So it uses highlight.js, which is a JavaScript, it looks like. It supports mixing. And let's see, automatic conversion of URLs. Single button to clone an existing paste, and you can have discussions. You can enable discussions for each paste. It is safe and secure. Data is compressed and encrypted in the browser before it's sent to the server using 256 bits AES. That is a security protocol right there. The server has zero knowledge of the data being stored, including nicknames and comments. Thanks to encryption, your data is safe even in case of a server breach or seizure. Search engines are blind regarding of paste content, so you can't search for a paste. With paste expiration, you can have ad hoc, short-lived discussion which will disappear into the void after the expiration. Ad hoc basically means on the, it's like ad hoc meaning give me something right now or something extra, that kind of thing. Discussions cannot be indexed by search engines. Yay. So there we go. So we are going to go in and we are going to go look at this. Alright, so when you come in up here into private bin and you go down here and you click on bin.disroot.org, you are brought into the PasteBin, and here you go. And so this is going to be a short demonstration. I won't get too deep into it, but the basic functionality is you can basically paste something. So let's say you had something inside of your favorite text editor, or let's use that, and I'm just going to copy that and come back over here and I'm just going to paste it. There's that. I'm going to send it. I'm going to click on send. This is a virtual machine, so it has to, it's reaching out through the internet to Disroot to paste that, and I'm just waiting for it to come back and let me know it's there, and there it is. Alright, so your paste is, and this is the link for it, so you can hit Control+C to copy. So I'm going to do that, and now I'm going to switch back over to that, and I'm going to create a new document, and I'm just going to paste, and there it is. There's the link for it. So what we can do at that point is you could paste this into your browser and you can be brought back. Let's see, we've got that, so I'm just going to do new, and I'm going to paste it here and enter that, and there we go. This document will expire in 6 days, and here's the pasted text. There you go. So, and there you are. So you can do a new, you can clone, you can do a raw text, you can save the paste, you can email it, or you can get a QR code. Ooh, isn't that nice? That's nice and pretty. So that's you can use this. Let's say if you're QR code savvy, you could do a paste and stuff in this, and you can create that QR code, and if you scan it with your phone or a tablet, you'll get that text. So there you go. That's something similar to what I was doing, but I was actually using a QR code generator. So there we go. So that is the basic functionality of a paste for the PasteBin, and we can see down at the bottom here, encrypted PasteBin by PasteBin by PasteBin, and it just describes what it is and how it works, and there we go. And then this is hosted on Disroot. So there we go. And that is your basic functionality of a PasteBin. You have a bunch of text that you need to show somebody. It could be a whole bunch of code. It could just be a whole bunch of sentences, whatever. typically it's used by developers and stuff like that, so that, you know, particularly I've seen it most in the Linux Mint IRC chat for help. But with that, they what they do is, like, you know, their rule is you don't want to clutter the screen with multiple lines of pastes. So what they say is go out to a paste place. They have theirs that they prefer, but you can use this one just fine, and it accomplishes the same deal. You have all of your text, you paste it out there, you get the link, you go back, and then you paste, you say, hey, look at this and tell me what you think. You give them the link, they can look at it, and it satisfies the chat room requirements and whatever, and you know, they can't complain about it. It's like, yeah, they might have their own stuff like that, but, you know, I would prefer to use Disroot because Disroot is awesome, and this video is surrounding a service that they provide that you don't need an account with them specifically to use. It's free for anyone to use. So there we go. So I hope you enjoyed this, and sorry it wasn't overly long. It really doesn't need to be. So just basically, here's what it is, here's how you use it, and there you go. So thank you very much. We will catch you up in the next DISQuest, and take it easy. Thank you very much. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. I'm here every day. So I'm not doing this kind of stuff every day, but you know, I've got some stuff coming up, and there we go. So catch me up next time. So thank you very much. Skál.